Imagine waking up to a world where your internet is suddenly slower, your video calls drop, and your favorite streaming services buffer endlessly. This isn't a distant dystopian future. It's exactly what happened recently when two critical undersea cables, SMW4, SMW4, and IMEWE, were damaged near Jeddah, Saudi Arabia. But here's where it gets even more alarming. These cables are the unsung heroes of our digital age, quietly powering everything from your Netflix binge to international banking transactions. Their disruption highlights just how fragile our global connectivity can be and how much we rely on these hidden highways beneath the oceans. These cables aren't just wires. They're the lifelines of the digital economy, carrying a staggering amount of data between Asia, the Middle East, and Europe. Think of them as the arteries of the internet, enabling cloud services, airline bookings, and even real-time financial transactions. When they're damaged, as happened recently, service providers scramble to reroute traffic, but the result is often slower speeds, higher latency, and occasional outages. It's a stark reminder of how interconnected and vulnerable our world truly is. But here's where it gets controversial. While there are dozens of submarine cables serving the Gulf Cooperation Council (GCC) countries, the Red Sea corridor alone handles about 17% of global internet traffic. This raises a critical question. Are we doing enough to protect these vital systems? Or are we risking a digital catastrophe by relying too heavily on a few key routes? Let's dive deeper into why SMW4 and IMEWE are so important. SMW4, stretching an astonishing 20,000 kilometers, connects 14 countries from Singapore to France. Launched in 2005, it's been upgraded multiple times to handle up to 4.6 terabits per second (TBPS), enough to stream millions of HD videos simultaneously. IMEWE, on the other hand, provides a direct, low-latency path from India to Europe, making it indispensable for sectors like finance and aviation. Together, these cables form the backbone of global connectivity, even as newer systems like SMW4 5 and 6 come online. And this is the part most people miss. Repairing these cables is no small feat. Each fix can cost between $1 million and $3 million and take weeks or even months, depending on factors like depth, weather, and the availability of specialized ships. The Red Sea's shallow waters and heavy shipping traffic make it particularly prone to damage, as seen in early 2024, when 3 cables were severed after a Houthi-struck vessel drifted into a protected zone. Operators are investing in next-generation systems like SMW6 to improve resilience, but as global data usage skyrockets, older cables like SMW4 and IMEWE will remain critical for years to come. This raises another thought-provoking question. Are we striking the right balance between innovation and maintenance? Or are we risking a digital divide by neglecting the infrastructure that keeps us connected? What do you think? Is enough being done to protect our undersea cables? Or are we overlooking a ticking time bomb? Share your thoughts in the comments. Let's spark a conversation about the future of our digital world.